Hey guys, this is how to fix Microsoft Word is not opening error in your Windows 10. So let's get into it and fix this error by using 100% effective method. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply click on your search icon, and here you have to just search for services. So once you find it, you have to just click to open it. Alright, here at this interface you just need to scroll all the way down in the P section. And here in the P section you have to just search for print spooler. So once you find this option, you have to just right click on it, and here just click on the properties. So once you are here at this pop-up, you have to just click on the general tab, and then in the startup type you have to just select for the manual. And once you're done, you have to just click on apply and then OK, and then close this window and then restart your system one time. And after restarting your system, your problem will be fixed and you will be able to use your Microsoft Word without any error.